solo La Cinquantaine. With regard to dynamics in this piece, make sure that you start quiet enough that you can give yourself a little bit of room to grow in measure 15, and definitely have enough for forte, like in measure 27 and measure 39 and other places where it's marked. The poco ritardandos in measure 17 and 21, I don't mind if they are slightly different, like a regular speech pattern. If you're going to repeat something when you speak, you will change it a little bit to give a little bit of different emphasis in different places. In measure 39, I definitely want to hear accents with space. Of course, in measure 53, 54, and 55, fluidity of your bow is important. With regard to the fermatas in measure 35 and measure 69, I think the first one should be short, not stopping the music very much, and the second one in measure 69 should be long, like you really mean it.